This isn't a 3D scene. This is a stack of 2D images drawn from a top-down view which, when put together, looks 3D. This can save you from having to draw multiple angles of the same sprite. It's called Sprite Stacking, and let me show you how to do it. Let's make something simple like a box. I'll be doing this in pixel art using a sprite, but you don't have to. Let's say that the box has 16 pixels on all sides. Keep in mind that you're drawing slices of the object from a top-down view. Each slice is going to be drawn in a 16 by 16 resolution. I find that using different frames instead of different layers to draw the slices works better. This is because the rest of the layers won't get in the way of what you're currently drawing. If you do want to see them, you can just use onion skinning. I also haven't found a way to export every layer as a separate image at the same time in a sprite, which is kind of annoying. Anyway, create 16 frames and fill brown on all of them because each layer is going to have it. Then in the first frame, create an outline in an X shape with a darker brown. The first frame is the very bottom slice of the object. The second layer is the center slice of the box. This means that the dark outline will only be on the corners. Let's also draw part of the X shape. Now, I know you're too lazy to draw this, so I have the images of all the slices in the description, so if you're kinda lazy, you can download them there. If you do draw them, export them all into their own folder. In your game engine, create a 2D scene with all the images under a parent object, each offset the height of 1 pixel in the sprite above from the last. Change the sprite sorting layer so that each slice renders above what it's supposed to. The top slice should be in the highest sorting layer. This is a pretty tall looking box, so you can squish it by scaling the parent object. Select all of the images and rotate to create a 3D effect. Make sure selecting each individual slice, not the parent object. To get that pixelated effect, simply lower the camera's output resolution to something like 320 by 180, which is in the common 16 by 9 aspect ratio.